BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 186 of season 3. Today's word is tactics. Would you like to know what it means? It means a specific action or a planned method to achieve a particular result. Planning and use of military forces in war. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word tactics. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Tactics is spelled as T-A-C-T-I-C-S. The word tactics denotes a special short-term plan of action or a trick that is used to achieve the result quickly. For example, the badminton player and her coach together devised tactics to surprise and defeat the opponent. Listen carefully how we can use the word tactics in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Multiple complaints were logged with the police regarding a criminal who was targeting vulnerable teenagers with a fake profile on social media. The police took help of a criminal psychologist and deployed clever tactics to capture him. Example number 2 of 8. The tactics used by a leading fashion brand were criticized by the opponents. They accused the company of using unfair trade practices to gain market share. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. The manager in a call center was worried about the lackluster performance of her sales team. There was an urgent need to revive the success rate of closing the deals. Therefore, she made certain tactical changes in the interaction with the clients to achieve the desired result. Example number 4 of 8. The military unit was fighting a battle in freezing temperatures in a hilly area. The head of the unit assessed the enemy's strength and launched a series of tactical attacks to gain an immediate advantage. Learn to clear any interview from expert in-house trainers, offline and online, who are ready to train you at our training centers in Mumbai and also through a video call. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The political party realized that the conventional methods to reach out to the voters were getting obsolete. Therefore, with the help of digital media, it used smart tactics to capture the attention of the voters. Example number 6 of 8. The cricket match headed towards a thrilling finish on the last day. The batting team needed to score 250 runs in 50 overs. However, the bowling team used numerous tactics to waste time and denied them the opportunity to win. Wow, what a relevant example, isn't it? Moving on to example number 7 of 8. The retailers blamed the main distributor of delaying tactics in releasing the material in the market. They claimed that this was being done to manipulate the prices and registered a strong protest. Moving on to the next example, example number 8 of 8. The Red X perfume was launched in the market with a lot of extravaganza. The target audience was the youth, and hence the advertisers used shock tactics to thrust the product sales. Today we learnt the word tactics, which means a specific action or a planned method to achieve a particular result, planning and use of military forces in war. Can you frame 3 sentences with tactics and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 186 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.